Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to delete your watch history on TikTok. So guys, many TikTok users don't know how to delete their watch history. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to delete your watch history from TikTok. So first of all, our step number one is open your TikTok. After opening your TikTok, simply tap on here profile option. And you can see here option three dot icon. Simply tap on it. Now you can see here options settings and privacy. Tap on here. Now scroll down and tap on activity center. And here you can see watch history. Simply tap on it. Now guys, you can see here my TikTok watch history. Simply tap on select and select the video which you have to delete. Like I am selecting all watch history. Now tap on delete. Tap on again delete. Now you can see my TikTok watch history has been deleted. So guys, this was the simple method that how to delete your watch history on TikTok. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.